Finally, it is summertime in Thunder Bay. And summertime means...
Ice cream!
And no, I'm not standing in the middle of the road. I'm actually standing in the patio area of our first stop. That is...
We're at Prime Gelato, which is on the corner of Cumberland and Red River Road. We started on Canada Day 2016. It was kind of a area that we saw could be filled in Thunder Bay. Product from scratch, using as much local ingredients as we can. We have a wide variety of milk-based gelatos. We probably created about 600 flavors over the years. We also have a line of dairy-free and vegan gelatos, which is made of coconut milk and sorbets. We have a wide variety of demographic. This time of the year we get a lot of children in with their parents. Summer is obviously our busiest time, where people are getting fresh gelato in cones and walking around the streets. In the winter we rely more on our retail version of, or side of things, where we are wholesaling our product in grocery stores. Tourism is extremely helpful for us to get exposure. We don't do a lot of advertising. We're more word of mouth, or that's how we get our exposure. So it's very important that we are promoted. They should come and try our different flavors. We're constantly making new products. It's also fresh, made regularly, with the best products that we can find in the area. So we are helping out other small businesses as well by putting their product into our product.